Here are more packages. This is audio stuff, so I'm unboxing. One's from Amazon, one's from eBay, I believe. So, let's unbox the first one first. This one, I believe it's a speaker from Amazon. Gotta be careful, careful, careful. I should put it in a regular cardboard box. These speakers are fucking fragile. Also says it on the box. Looks sloppy. Handwriting. Barely see the LED. Just take my time. Tape is making it more difficult to open. Okay, paper says the bus. There we go. Something else in the box. This is order one driver. Doesn't come in up here. It's all slipping paper. Put my winter shoes. I hope I didn't poke a hole in the cone. That would be good. Oh my fucking god. These paper lunch bags to pack up, I believe. That's a fucking like 6 layers here. Oh, that's just extra packaging. Not bad. So this is a speaker driver. Let's see, it's coming out more. Pretty close to look at it. See my front camera now. Perfect. Looks old, but it looks nice. Very nice and heavy. I'm gonna do baseless on this little woofer. Other than that, it's pretty good. So it doesn't have a lot of excursion. barely move that. So that's the driver. So now the mower into the big package. Move all that out of the way. Alright, open that, yep. There we go. So this is the amplifier. If I didn't audio. 70-watt subwoofer plate amplifier. I'm using this to test speakers. So I like the low pass filter on this thing. Also it's 70 watts. By the way, that's my first Amazon speaker unboxing video, so I better put that in most on YouTube. Here's the menu. And we do condition. You can't brand it, so I'm not gonna like unbox it all the way, but so far it's pretty good. Yep, thanks for watching.